You can easily find out the person is interested or not the way they look at you. And that's why it is critical for you to maintain that eye contact, because when you maintain that eye contact, it shows your confidence. Let's take an example. Let's say that we both are interacting with each other, okay? And whenever you are speaking to me, I'm just looking up and down, here and there, but I'm not looking at you. Whenever I'm speaking to you, still I'm not looking at you, but I'm just looking here and there. Now, how you are feeling? Well, you might be feeling that I'm not interested in this conversation, or I don't care what you are speaking or what I am speaking, or I just want to avoid this conversation, or I want to run away from this interaction, right? And you know what? Intentionally or unintentionally, we are doing it on a regular basis. Whenever we interact with people, we don't pay attention to them, we don't maintain that eye contact, we just look here and there and we do that conversation, and as a result that person feels like you are not interested, you are avoiding them or you are ignoring them. So see, these happen with us. Well, here in this video we are going to talk about it, how exactly you will maintain that eye contact even if you feel shy, you feel hesitation, you feel nervous, you feel anxiety while speaking. How you will maintain that eye contact to show your confidence and to become super comfortable in social interaction. So let's talk about the first step which you need to do, and it is look at their eyebrows. What? Look at their eyebrows. See, whenever we are looking in their eyes or whenever we are looking at their eyebrows, the impact is same. They feels like you are actually looking in their eyes. So if you feel little bit hesitation or you feel little bit shy, then instead of looking right in their eyes, you can look at their eyebrows. Well, this is something which I did in my life when I had started my journey in public speaking. I was super shy. I cannot maintain that eye contact with people. So what I used to do, I used to look at their eyebrows. And whenever I used to interact with them, talk to them, whenever I used to deliver my presentation, they used to come to me and they used to say to me that, "Ma'am, I was feeling that you were talking to me. I was feeling that you are actually looking in my eyes." And you know what? When you do that, you create that incredible connection with that individual. And whatever you want to do, whatever end result you want, you can achieve that. Does that make sense to you? So see, next time whenever you will interact with any individual, look at their eyebrows if you feel hesitation or you are feeling little bit shy. Second is never ever look down and up while interacting. See, most of the time what we do is whenever we have to interact with people, we just look down or we just look up and then we interact with people. Yes, and you know what? You should always avoid this. Let me share with you why. See, whenever you are looking down, you are telling to that person or you are thinking in your mind that the person is more authoritative than you. The person is more powerful. And on the other hand, whenever you are looking up, you are telling to yourself and you are telling to that individual is that you are more authoritative, you are more powerful. See, some people might accept it, some people might not accept it. So that's why you must avoid it. So here question arises that what you can do instead. Instead of looking down and up, what you can do is you can look left and right. What? You can look left and right. Okay, so see, whenever you are maintaining that eye contact and whenever you are thinking about something, you can either look left and right and you can think about it and again maintain that eye contact. What? Whenever you are interacting with people or whenever you are listening to people, maintain that eye contact, and whenever you will think about something, you can look left and right and you can think about it. Does that make sense? And again, you need to come back, again you need to maintain that eye contact. Does that make sense? Yes? So see, here in this way, you need to maintain your eye contact. Please don't look up and down, okay? Please don't do that, because whenever you just look up and down, people might accept it, people might not accept it. And when you look down, it is kind of slave body language, okay? It is kind of like you are walking under someone else. So please don't do that, okay? Number 3, always have good facial expressions while interacting. See, whenever you are making your eye contact, have good facial expressions on your face. See, most of the time what we do is, whenever we have to maintain eye contact, we give them very tense look, okay, just like this, and we listen to them. And you know what, when we do this, that person feel uncomfortable, or we just give creepy look, or we just laugh, or we just give them very angry look. And you know what, when we do this, we make that individual feel damn uncomfortable with us. And this is something which we need to change while maintaining that eye contact. Please change this. So here question arises that what exactly you can do. See, whenever you have to interact with people, relax your facial muscles, okay, relax it. And have gentle smile on your face. And then interact with that person. But here again question arises that how you will recognize that actually you are giving them some kind of weird facial looks, because of that they are feeling weird or they are feeling uncomfortable with you. How you will find that? Well, I have a great hack for you. So here what you need to do is you just need to take your mobile phone, okay? So what happen is every conversation has some goal, right? Every conversation has some kind of goal. So have that goal in your mind. And take your mobile phone, and whatever you are going to interact with that person, just speak that in your mobile phone and record yourself. And after recording, look at that recording, okay? Look at yourself, that how you are speaking. What kind of facial expressions you have whenever you are interacting. That is it normal? Is it really amazing? Or is it really weird? Or you are just giving them very tense look just like this, or you are very angry while speaking. So what exactly your facial expressions are? See, what happen is we do it, we just give very angry look, or we make that person feel uncomfortable with us, but we don't realize it. And here you need to realize that so that you can improve. See, if we want to solve any problem, we need to identify it, right? And recording yourself and looking at your own recording is a wonderful way to analyze it, that where you are actually making mistake. So please do it, okay? Now let's come to fourth hack, and it is look in the person's eye naturally. What? Look in the person's eye naturally. See, most of the time what we do is to maintain that eye contact, we just look like this, okay? And when we do this, we make that individual feel really weird, feel really uncomfortable with us. And this is something which we don't want, right? So please, whenever you will maintain eye contact, look in their eyes naturally. So see, what happens is whenever we are maintaining eye contact, whenever we are listening or whenever we have to speak, we just access all the information from our brain, okay? And then we deliver and then we speak. Or whenever we are listening, we access information in our brain and we connect that into our brain, right? So when we do that, we can look here and there, okay? It is normal, it is natural. So what here you need to do is, you can access that information in your brain, and then again, you need to come back. You need to maintain that eye contact again. Does that make sense to you? So here, you don't need to look right in their person's eye and make them feel uncomfortable with you. No, you don't have to do that, okay? You need to look in their eye naturally, just the way I am doing here. You need to look in that person's eye naturally, and you will feel and you will find that you are building amazing, incredible connection with each other. Now let's revise everything which you have learned here. So the first hack which you learned here is look at their eyebrows. And the second hack which you learned here is never look down and up. The third hack is have good facial expressions. Fourth hack is look in the eyes naturally. Okay, so please implement all these 4 hacks in your life and you will get mind-blowing result. Here I want you to do one wonderful exercise. What you need to do is you need to find one partner to whom you can practice your eye contact. That person might be your friend, relative, your brother, sister, your parents, that person might anyone. But the point here is you should practice eye contact with that individual. Let me share with you that how exactly I practiced. I called my friend and I asked her that let's practice eye contact, and also I practice eye contact with my brother. So what we did is that we used to sit together and we used to interact with each other while having that eye contact. Okay, and whenever we used to interact with each other having that eye contact, then what used to happen that we both used to give feedback to each other that okay, this is really great, this is amazing, this is something which we should avoid, right? And here in this way we become really confident, comfortable while maintaining that eye contact. So here you need to do that same. Find one partner, sit with them, interact with them, and you will get feedback. Whenever you are speaking, whenever you are maintaining that eye contact, you both can give feedback to each other. And as a result, you both will improve. You both will just have that incredible eye contact with every individual you talk with. Isn't it amazing? But please do practice it. If you want to maintain eye contact, or if you want to make that individual comfortable with you by having that amazing, incredible eye contact, please practice it. Now here is a task which you need to do. You need to create a video on why it is important to maintain eye contact and share your practice experience with your partner. What? You need to create video on why we should maintain eye contact and share your practice experience with your partner. Please do it, implement it, and you will get mind-blowing results.